Hello, sunshines. We are going to do a very simple question. What is this question? Okay, listen. Now, I have given you a molecule. Any one of you can tell me what that molecule is? What is that molecule? What? Glycerol? What? Glycerol? This is not glycerol, man. What else? It has got what? Yeah, 3 ester bond. As you can see, this molecule has got 3 ester bonds. So what is the name of the molecule with 3 ester bonds? Triglyceride. So this is a triglyceride, right? Now if you can remember, what? How can you make a triglyceride? In order to make a triglyceride, you need 4 molecules. Anyone can tell me what those 4 molecules are? Yes, 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acid. Alright, yeah. So my question is this. I want you to identify the fatty acid this triglyceride is made up of. Let me repeat the question again. I want you to identify the fatty acid this triglyceride is made up of. Or pretty much, you'll have to name the fatty acid that you need in order to make this triglyceride using the data booklet. Yes, page what? Page 18. All right, when there's a question like that, what you need to do? You need to break this triglyceride into glycerol and the 3 fatty acid that molecule is made up of. Okay, in order to do that, what do you need to do? You need to do this process. What is this process called? Hydrolysis. Hydro, water, lysis, breaking. So you are going to break this molecule using water so that you can get glycerol and 3 fatty acid. 3 fatty acid. Are you ready? Are you ready? I am ready. Yeah. All right, let's do it. So in order to do this, what you need to add first, you need to add 3H2O. Okay, 3H2O. So this is, okay, look, this is 1H2O, 2H2O, 3H2O. Look what I'm going to do now. Right, first step is to draw a line. What? Draw a line between the 2 oxygen of the ester. Yeah, you see that? I drew a line. Then what do I need to do? Yeah, it's all about what? It's all about getting that glycerol out. Getting that glycerol out and make the fatty acid. To get the glycerol out, what do you need to do? You have to put this H. You see this H? Because this H, you need to put that H back into glycerol. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Now, I'm going to make the glycerol. Alright. Then we can make the fatty acid. Then we can identify those fatty acid. I mean the name of the fatty acid. Names of the fatty acid using the data booklet. Alright. Let's do this. Alright. So here. Okay, I'm making the glycerol. You see that? The glycerol is going to be made. Alright. Now, what is going to come next? What is going to come next? Oh, this hydrogen. The hydrogen. Okay, see? The hydrogen. Alright. Now I'm going to make it more clearer. But okay, this is the hydrogen. Now we made the glycerol. Alright. Glycerol is made. Now the fatty acid times. So how are we going to make those fatty acid? Now you have to be very careful. In terms, we need to keep an eye out of the structure of these fatty acids. They're not the same. As you can see, 4 here, 14 here. So you are going to get 2 different types of fatty acid. 2 same and 1 different. Is that clear to you? All right. let me make the fatty acid. I'm going to make the fatty acid here, right? First fatty acid, CH3. You see that? Should I make it here? I think I should make it here. All right, that's going to be more clear. CH3. All right, CH2, 4, C double bond O. Then look at that OH. Oh, look at that. That's one of the fatty acid. All right, the next one. Okay, let me say this is the number 1. Number 2. All right, number 2 the same. Number 2 the same. CH3, CH2, 4, CO. Oh, what is this? Okay, just give me a sec. Be patient. Oh, they're the same sir. Okay, have a look at the data booklet and identify what these fatty acids are. You will notice, what's that? What? CH3, CH2, 4, C double OH. This is caproic. This is caproic. This is caproic. Okay, caproic. Okay. So, are we going to make the same one again? Why am I wasting time? No, it is not the same. Could you see that? The last one is different. It's not caproic. CH3. Look at that. CH2 brackets. You see, it's 14. 14. Okay, CO. Then what? COH. Alright. So what is this one? Okay, that one is an interesting one. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah. Let's see what that is. That is CH214. Have a look at the data booklet. You will see this as palmitic. It's like palm. Like something to do with palm, man. Maybe it's I don't know, maybe it's coming from a palm tree. Who knows? Palmitic. Palmitic. I'm sorry about my pronunciation. Palmitic. Palmitic. Alright. What did we learn to do? We learned to identify the fatty acid of a given triglyceride. In order to identify or in order to separate those fatty acids, what did we do? We hydrolyzed the triglyceride using water molecule. That's it. I'll come back to you with another question similar to this. All right. Love you for loving chemistry. See you.